So the treatment I'm getting today is this delicious smelling chocolate mask. The Bernard Cassier Chocolate Anti-Stress Facial is formulated with cocoa extracts which are rich in antioxidants. You really want to make sure your skin is really cleansed from all the toxin and environmental stresses, including your makeup and buildup of products left on your skin. After removing the cleanser, we are gonna go in for the cocoa beans peeling scrub. Exfoliation can make your skin glow and remove dull, patchy skin. Cocoa butter was then massaged into my skin. It didn't feel too oily, it felt pretty smooth and comfortable when applied onto the skin. Now onto the highlight of the facial, having this yummy edible chocolate mask all over my face. Not forgetting the lips too. This relaxing treatment is recommended for those with dull and stressed skin. This is my bare face right after the treatment. I love how glowy and radiant my complexion looks. The entire treatment then ended with one more sweet touch, a chocolate drink. Perfect!